Some people wake up and before they do anything else, they make their bed. They can't leave for work until the dishes are done. They vacuum every single day, even when the floor looks clean. Their friends call them obsessive. Their family says they have a problem. But they can't stop, and there's a psychological reason why. Most people think cleaning every day is just about being neat or organized. But psychologists have discovered that daily cleaning is rarely about cleanliness at all. It's about control. Life is unpredictable. People let you down. Plans fall apart. Bad things happen without warning. But your house you can control. Every surface can be wiped. Every item can be organized. Every mess can be eliminated. When the rest of life feels chaotic, cleaning gives you something you can see, touch, and fix immediately. Psychologists call this environmental mastery. You're not just cleaning. You're proving to yourself that you have power over something. Here's what else is happening inside the brain. Daily cleaning is often a form of anxiety management. When a person is anxious, their body produces stress hormones like cortisol. Cleaning activates the same neural pathways as repetitive, soothing behaviors. It's similar to why some people tap their foot or bite their nails. The repetitive motion, the predictable outcome, the sense of restoring order, all of it tells the nervous system that you're safe. For someone with underlying anxiety, cleaning becomes a form of medication. The problem is, it's only temporary relief. The anxiety always comes back. And then they clean again and again. There's also a deeper, darker reason why some people develop this habit. Many people who clean obsessively grew up in chaotic or unpredictable homes. Maybe their parents fought constantly. Maybe money was always tight. Maybe they experienced betrayal or loss at a young age. Their brain learned that the world is not safe, but they also learned that their personal space, that they could control. So cleaning became a survival mechanism, a way to create order when everything around them felt like chaos. Now, as adults, their brain still believes that if they stop cleaning, the chaos will return. They're not cleaning because they want to. They're cleaning because they're scared. Another psychological factor is perfectionism. People who clean every day often have impossibly high standards for themselves, not just for their home, but for every area of their life. They believe that if everything looks perfect on the outside, no one will see the mess on the inside. Their clean house becomes a mask, a way to hide their insecurities, their failures, their fears. The problem is, perfectionism is never satisfied. No matter how clean the house gets, it's never clean enough, because the real issue isn't the dust on the shelves. It's the feeling of not being good enough. So what's the difference between healthy cleaning and compulsive cleaning? Healthy cleaning is a choice. You clean because you enjoy a tidy space. But you can also leave dishes in the sink without panicking. Compulsive cleaning is not a choice. It feels like survival. You can't relax until everything is perfect. You feel anxious when things are out of place. You clean not because you want to, but because you have to. That's the line. And crossing it is a sign that cleaning has become a coping mechanism for something deeper. Here's what psychologists want you to understand. Cleaning every day is not inherently bad. Many people simply enjoy a clean home. But if you can't relax until everything is spotless, if you feel anxious when things are out of place, if cleaning feels like survival instead of choice, then it's time to ask yourself some hard questions. What are you really trying to control? What are you trying to avoid? What would happen if you stopped? The psychology of people who clean every day is not about dirt. It's about fear. It's about control. It's about using a mop to manage emotions that have nothing to do with your flaws. You can scrub every surface until it shines. But until you address what's actually bothering you, you'll never feel truly clean. If this video helped you understand yourself or someone you know, hit like and comment the word order. If you've ever used cleaning to cope with anxiety, subscribe for more dark psychology facts explained simply, and I'll see you in the next one.